awareness program on menstrual cycle and hygiene management in girls between class 6 to 10 was conducted at Kasturba Gandhi Balika Vidyalaya yesterday. The awareness program was organized by Sashi Kiran Charitable Trust under Mooncatcher Project USA. Trustee of the trust Sashi Kiran and Assistant Professor of Manipur University Dr. Khelena Gurumayung were the main attendees. Irawat Celebration Committee Manipur and CPI Nambol Local Council jointly organized 93rd birth anniversary of Biplabi Bira yesterday at Nambol Khorilaika Youth Association Hall. National Executive Member of CPI Dr. M. Nara, Secretary of Manipur State CPI L. Sotin Kumar, Treasurer A. Lala, Secretary CPI Vishnupur K. Bimol and wife of Biplabi Bira T.H. Dhanumati were the main attendees. Now, Haryana will also have its own National Register of Citizens. Haryana Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar said his state will also have an Assam-like NRC for its citizens. Khattar's remark has immediately got surprise backing from former Chief Minister Bhupendra Singh Hooda. Nobel Peace Prize winner and Pakistani education rights activist Malala Yousafzai has urged the UN to work towards peace in Kashmir and help children in the valley to go back to school. Her remarks were criticized by Twitter users who questioned her silence on the plight of the girls belonging to the minority. Ending speculation around whether he will make a joint appearance with Prime Minister Modi, US President Donald Trump's participation in the September 22nd Howdy Modi Diaspora event in Houston will be confirmed. The US President will also address the gathering, expected to be in the tens of thousands as per the White House press secretary. A report is likely to be filed soon in the Supreme Court by the Ayodhya Mediation Panel, informing that the Sunni Waqf Board and Nirmohi Akhara have expressed willingness to continue with talks to amicably resolve the over 70-year-old Ram Janmabhoomi Babri Masjid title dispute between Hindu and Muslim factions.